Alright, this is the FalconX in the dark. As you see, it looks awesome with LEDs flashing. Just fly up a bit. I can only use one hand right now, so I can't really steer that much. I'll try, but it probably won't work really well. See, it's quite difficult. Let's see. There it goes. I'm trying not to hit a car right in the... Oh, I just caught it. There we go. So that was this is the FalconX in the dark. Just gonna get shot from here. It looks awesome. The lights are really good. You see them really well here. It's amazing how far they shine. You can actually fly complete darkness and they'll give good light. The battery doesn't last long though. It only lasts like 8 minutes and that's it. And then you have to charge it for like 40. Well, that was the FalconX in the dark. Hope you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel.